most respected director, respected principal, and all the invited persons, and my dear students of this institution. Every year we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January in India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was an Indian jurist, politician, economist, and social reformer who inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement and campaigned against social discrimination towards the untouchables, while also supporting the rights of the women and labor. The Indian Constitution and its drafting process are often seen as synonymous with Ambedkar. He was often seen as the father of the Indian Constitution. On 29th August 1947, passing one resolution, the Constituent Assembly appointed a drafting committee with the 7 members and Ambedkar as a chairman for preparing a draft of Constitution of Independent India. Pandit Nehru and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel were known as international experts of Constitution. 7 members were Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, N. Jaipal Chami, Alladi Krishnasamy Ayas, K.M. Munshi, Saijumullah Sadullah, and Madhava Rao D.P. Khaitan. Ambedkar was honored as first member of Constituent Assembly. Secondly, he was honored as Law Minister, and third, he was Chairman of Drafting Committee. His very simple life I am going to explain about B.R. Ambedkar. His full name was Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He was born in the home of great men with great capability on 14th April 1891 at Mahu in Madhya Pradesh of India. He also known as Baba Saheb was an Indian nationalist, jurist, Dalit political leader, scholar, economist, and social reformer. He was the chief architect of Indian Constitution, born into a poor, untouchable family. Ambedkar spent his life fighting against social discrimination and the system of Chaturvarna caste system of Indian Hinduism. Republic Day of India, celebrated on January 26 to mark the day when the Constitution of India came into effect. The Constitution of India, which was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on November 26, 1949, came into effect on January 26, 1950. This completed India's transition towards becoming an independent republic with a democratic government system. January 26 was also chosen as the day to mark Republic Day because it had been on this day that the India National Congress (INC) proclaimed the Declaration of Indian National Congress INC proclaimed the Declaration of Indian Independence in 1929. This was contrary to the dominion status offered by the British. Republic Day is a national holiday in India. However, schools celebrate the day with patriotic zeal, with students and teachers organizing programs and performances to mark the day. The Republic Day Parade, first held in 1950, has been a yearly ritual since the parade marches from the Rashtrapati Bhavan along the Rajpath in New Delhi. Several regiments of the Army, Navy and Air Forces, along with their bands, march to India Gate. The parade is presided over by the President of India, who is the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Armed Forces. As he unfurls the tricolor, the national anthem is played. The regiments of the armed forces then started their march past. Prestigious awards like Kirti Chakra, Ashok Chakra, Paramvir Chakra and Veer Chakra are given out by the President. 9 to 12 different regiments of the Indian Army, in addition to the Navy and Air Force, march towards India Gate along with their bands. Contingents of paramilitary forces and other civil forces also participate in the parade. Devotees from various states display their culture.